What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, the fun, put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about how to make money online as an arts and craft instructor. Let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to make money online as an arts and craft instructor. I just love that word, instructor. All right, so this is a fairly easy way to make money online, in my opinion, because it's a skill. And if you're already talented at drawing, doing arts and craft, building things on your own, why not use this talent, right? Use your talent to make money while you're at your day job, while you're playing with your kids, basically money in your sleep, all right? So if you're good at drawing and things like that, you might as well build the income around you, right? Around yourself, around your skills, around your skill level. And as you get better in your skill level, the better you get, I'm pretty sure the more money you'll make, okay, as time goes on. All right, so the easiest way to do this, right, you can easily nowadays start a YouTube channel. Most people start TikToks and Instagrams, but I wouldn't go there yet. I would just start with a YouTube channel, right? Now you start drawing things that are trending in pop culture. Artists that have passed away recently, maybe artists won a Grammy, won whatever, Golden Globe Award, whatever it may be. Something special happened to an artist, you draw it, okay? And you make a video about it, right? And this stuff is being searched on YouTube. So if it's being searched on YouTube, then you make a drawing about it. Then mix it in with your own original thought out painting or drawing. This is how you get people to fall in love with you as an artist. They become attached to your artistry and how you do your thing. Next, you will do some instructional videos for free and offer a paid Zoom class or paid course to start bringing in more moolah, more dinero, more cheddar, more money. You can add a blog all about your journey as an artist also. Then this can bring in extra income just by, creating maybe a membership site on that blog, having advertising on that blog, you know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. There is so much room for different avenues of money to be made when you channel your talent the right way. You know what I'm saying? Your skills, your passion, all right? So if you want to learn how to create financial freedom using my simple steps, check out the Wealth Builder System, the Financial Freedom. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for how to make money online as an arts and craft instructor. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.